Hi friends, welcome to Simplify Maths. Today we are going to learn fractions and decimals, chapter 2 of our class 7, exercise 2.1. First main, solve. We are going to solve addition and subtraction of fractions, whole numbers and mixed fraction also. Let's see how to do that. 4 plus 7 by 8. This is the whole number. So 4 means we can write this as 4 by 1 plus 7 by 8. See, the denominator should be equal, then only we can add the numerator. For that, we are going to find the LCM of 8 and 1. What is the LCM of 8 and 1? It is 1 into 8 only, because there is no common factor between 1 and 8. So, other than 1. So, 8 into 1 is 8. What we need to do is, we need to make both the denominator as 8. Already second fraction has 8 in its denominator. No need to worry about that. We need to make this as 8. For that, what we need to do? We need to multiply this with 8. We cannot go and multiply any number in the denominator. We should multiply the same number in the numerator also. Then only it is 8 by 8 gives you 1. It won't affect the fraction. So, 4 into 8 is equal to 32 by 8. 1 into 8 is 8 plus 7 divided by 8. Now see, both the denominators are equal, common denominator. So we can take 8 as common. 8. In the numerator, we can add both the like fractions. See, denominators are equal. So it is a like fraction. In like fraction, we can add the numerators. 32 plus 7. This is equal to 39 divided by 8. We can leave the problem here. Otherwise, we can make it as this is the improper fraction. We can make it as mixed fraction. See, 39. If you divide this by 8, what you will get? As a quotient, 4. 4 times 8 is 32. Remainder is 7. See here how to write. Q or D. Q is 4. This Q is 4. Remainder is 7. This is remainder. Divided by divisor 8. So, this is our answer. 4, 7 by 8. Now, the second question. 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. How to do this? Here also it is not equal, no? 11 is different, 15 is different. So, we want to make it as the same number. So, for that we need to find LCM. What is the LCM? LCM is equal to 11 into 15 only, because there is no common factor between 11 and 15. So, it is the multiplication of both the numbers. So, 11 into 15 gives us 165. So, 165 is our LCM now. We want to make the denominators as 165. For that, what we need to do? See, how to make 11 as 165? Just multiply this with the 15. Here also with the 15. Whatever number you are multiplying in the denominator, it should come in the numerator also. Then only it won't affect the fraction, because 15 divided by 15 gives you 1. 9 by 11 into 1 is equal to 9 by 11. So, we are doing like that. Here, 15, how to make this 15 as 165? Just multiply it with 11. That's all. Both the numerator and the denominator. Now, let's see how to do this. See here. 9 into 15 gives us 9 into 15 is equal to 135 divided by 165 minus 4 into 11 is 44. 44 divided by 165. See, both the denominators are equal. So, we can have the common denominator 165. Now, we can easily subtract the numerator. 135 minus 44. This is equal to 91 divided by 165. See, this is the proper fraction. See, numerator is smaller, denominator is bigger. So, we can leave this fraction as it is. Otherwise, if you divide like this, we will get a decimal number. So no need to touch this. 91 by 165 is our answer. If the fraction is improper, then you can convert it into the mixed fraction. Okay. Now other question. 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. How to do this? See, the denominators all are different. We need a same denominator for the fractions. So let us find the LCM. How to do LCM? 10, 5, 2. Here 2 can divide two numbers, right? 10 and 2. So see here, this is 5. It won't divide 5, so just give 5 here, 1. 5 can divide these 5s, 1, 1, 1. So the LCM here is 2 into 5 is equal to 10. This is our LCM. Now we are going to make our denominator as 10, all the denominators. First fraction is already 10, so no need to worry about it. Just leave this. Now come here. How to make this 5 as 10? If you multiply 5 by 2, it will give you 10. So whatever you are doing here, you should multiply it with here also in the numerator. Now in the third fraction, you have to multiply the third fraction by 5. Then only 2 into 5 is 10. Denominator will be 10. Into here 5 means here also you should multiply it with 5. Now see here. Just give the first fraction as it is. 7 by 10 plus 2 2s are 4 by 10 plus 5 3s are 15 divided by 10. See, all the denominators are 10. So we can have the common denominator. So we can take this 10 as a common thing. We can add the numerator. 7 plus 4 plus 15. This is equal to 7 plus 4 plus 15 gives us 26. See, 19, 26 divided by 10. Now we are going to this 26 by 10. You can cancel. That means divide by 2. 2 is the common factor for both. So 13 times 2 in 26, 5 times 2 in 10. So 13 by 5 is the answer. Using this 13 by 5, this is also an improper fraction. We can make this as a mixed fraction. How many 5s? 2 times. So 10. 5 2s are 10. Remainder is 3. Now the answer is Q is 2, R is 3 by 5. This is answer for this question. Now the sixth question. See the mixed fractions here. We are going to add two mixed fractions. How to add? See, first make it into an improper fraction. 2 into 3, 6 plus 2. This is 8. 8 divided by 3 plus. How to make? 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 divided by 2. See here, denominators are different, but no common factor between both. So the LCM is, if there is no common factor, just multiply the denominators. That's all. 3 2s are 6. So we are going to make 6 as the denominator for both. How to make? Multiply it with 2. 2. Then only it will be 6. No, 3 into 2 is 6. So whatever you are doing here, you should do it here also. Now how to make this 2 as 6? Multiply it with 3. So here also 3. 8 2s are 16 divided by 6 plus 7 3s are 21 divided by 6. Right? Now we are going to add these two. 16 plus 21 divided by 6 gives us 37 divided by 6. This is also an improper fraction. So we are going to make this as a mixed fraction again. Okay. So there is no common factor between those two. So no need to cancel anything. Just divide. See, 37. 6. How many 6 in 37? Only 6. 6 6 are 36. Remainder is 1. So what is the answer? How to do this? Q or D? This is Q. 6. R is this 1. Divided by, divisor is this 6. 6, 1 by 6. This is our answer. Now we are going to do subtraction in the mixed fraction. See here, make it an improper fraction. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17 divided by 2 minus 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 5 is 29 divided by 8. See here, denominators are different. So find LCM for 8 and 2. See, 8 and 2 has common factor as 2. So how many 2's in 8? 4. Here 1. 2. 2 comma 1. So this 2 divide 1 comma 1. What is the LCM? LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. So 8 is our LCM. In the second fraction we already have 8. So leave it. Now we are going to make the first fraction as first denominator as 8. How to make this 2 as 8? Multiply it with 4. That's all. So multiply the same thing in the numerator also. Now what is 17 into 4? 17 into 4 is 68 divided by 8 minus 29 by 8. Since we have 8 already, just give the number. Now common denominator, so I am taking only 1 8. 68 minus 29. So this is equal to 68 minus 29 is 39 divided by 8. See, this is also an improper fraction. We are going to make this as a mixed fraction. How to make? See here, this 39. If you divide it with 8, how many 8s? 4 8 inside 39. So 8 4s are 32. Remainder is 7. Now give this in the QRD format. QRD. What is Q? 4. R is 7. D is 8. 4 7 by 8. That's all. Arrange the following in descending order. Descending says these are all fractions, but these are all different type of fraction. If you are going to compare, then we need to make it as a like fraction. For like fraction, we should have the same denominators. For that, what we need to do to make these are all as a same denominator fractions? We need to find the LCM for the denominators. See, denominators here are 5, 7, 10. We are going to find the LCM. So 5 can divide this 5 and 10. One time give 7 as it is. This is 2 times, right? Now 7 can divide 7 once, but 2 will come as it is. Now 2 can divide this 2. LCM is equal to 5 into 7 into 2, 35. 35 into 2 is 70. So 70 is our LCM. We are going to make these fractions as with the denominator 70. So how to make this 5 as 70? Just multiply it with 14. So here also into 14. How to make this as 70? Already 7 is there. If you multiply it with 10, we will get 70. So here also into 10. Here already 10 is there. We want it to be 70. So if you multiply it with 7, we will get 70 into 7. So how these fractions will change now? See here, 14 by 70, comma, 3 into 10 is 30 by 70, comma, 7 7s are 49 divided by 70. See, these are all like fractions. In like fractions, it is easy to compare. If the numerator is bigger, the fraction is bigger. So, which numerator is bigger here? This is bigger. So, this is the first number. And second bigger is, this is the second. And this is the third bigger number, fraction. Now, descending order. Ascending means from small to big. Descending means big to small. So, how to do this? Big to small. This is our big number, bigger number, right? So 49 by 70, comma 30 by 70, comma 14 by 70. This implies, so we need to go to the question fractions. So see here, 49 by 70 belongs to this 7 by 10. So original fraction is 7 by 10, comma 3 by 7, comma 1 by 5. So these fractions are in descending order now, from biggest to lowest. Always, if they are asking ascending or descending order, just to make the denominators equal. Make it as a like fraction and then compare. Third question, in a magic square, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is the same. Is this a magic square? So we are going to check whether all the rows, sum of the rows and sum of the columns and sum of the diagonals are equal. If it is equal, it is a magic square. Let's see. See here, all are like fractions. By looking itself, we can easily tell. See, all the denominators of the fractions here is 11 only. So it is a like fraction. So we can easily add all the numbers. See, this is row wise. So if you add these fractions, so 11 is common. See here, 4 by 11 plus 9 by 11 plus 2 by 11. So 11 is common. You just add the numerator. See, 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. So 15 by 11. If we get 15 by 11 throughout all the rows and all the columns and all the diagonals, we will get the magic square. See here, already first row over. Second row. See here, 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. So 15 by 11. In the last row, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 by 11. So this is also 15. Column wise. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15 by 11. So column wise we are getting 15 by 11. First column, second column. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15 by 11. Here 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15 by 11. Okay, now column wise we got 15 by 11 as the answer for all the columns. Now diagonal. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 by 11 because all the denominators are 11. So 15 by 11. So first diagonal over. Now second diagonal. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 by 11. We got all the rows, columns and diagonals. Sum is 15 by 11. So this is a magical square. Fourth question. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 cm long and 10 2 by 3 cm wide. Find its perimeter. This is the rectangle. Length already given. Similarly, this is the breadth. These are all in mixed fractions. So now we are going to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B. Perimeter means what? See, perimeter of a rectangle or perimeter of anything means if it is a closed figure, if you start from here and you are going through all the way through its boundary and coming to the same place, this is called a perimeter. Basically, the circumference fully if you are covering the boundary is called the perimeter. So, how many lengths are there? One length. See, opposite sides are equal. So, this length is equal to this length. So, 2 length, 2L. Similarly, breadth. 2 breadths are there. Breadths are equal. So, see here. First, you are moving towards, you will finish 1L, right? And you will come here. Then you will come this way. So, this is breadth, B. Again, you will go from here to here. This is length only, right? Length. So, one length here. You will add, these are all distance, that's all. So, from here to here, this is breadth. So, this is B. This is equal to how many L? 2L. How many B? 2B. We can take 2 as common for both of the terms. So, 2 into remaining terms inside L plus B. So, this is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. So, whatever figure, closed figure they have given, just find the distance of the boundary. So, for a triangle, equilateral triangle, it is 3A. For a square, it is 4A. So, keep it in mind. Don't confuse with perimeter. It is very easy actually. Perimeter means the boundary, distance in the boundary. Now, L is equal to 12 1 by 2. How to make it? As a improper fraction, 12 into 2 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. So 25 divided by 2 centimeter. Here 10 into 3 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. 32 by 3 centimeter. So we made it as an improper fraction. Now we are going to put it in the formula. This is the perimeter, right? So perimeter is equal to 2 into, what is L? 25 by 2. B is 32 by 3. Denominators are different, so we are going to make this as a common denominator. So 2 into 3. LCM is 6 only. 2 into 3. No common factor means just to multiply. 6. So make this as 6. How to make it as 6? 2 into 3. Then only denominator will be 6. So multiply it with 3 in both numerator and denominator. Here, if you want to make this a 6 into 2. Here also into 2. So 25 into 3 gives us 75. So 75 divided by 6 plus 64. 32 into 2 is 64 divided by 6. Now we can easily add now. 6 is the common denominator. 75 plus 64. 2 into, if you add, what will get? 139 divided by 6. See, 2 and 6. Common factor is 2. So we can easily cancel 1 2 into 3 2 and 6. This is equal to 139 divided by 3. So see, this is improper fraction. So 139, if you divide it with 3, how many 3 in 13? 4. 4 3s are 12. Remainder 1, 9. How many 3s in 19? 6 times. 18. Remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. See here how to write. Quotient is 46. This is our quotient Q. 46. This is our remainder is 1. So 1 divided by 3. 46, 1 by 3 is the answer. Fifth question. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE. The rectangle BCDE in this figure. Whose perimeter is greater? See, we are going to find the perimeter of triangle and the perimeter of rectangle individually. See, first take this triangle alone. What is the perimeter? As I told you, if you move from A, start from A to B and B to E and E to A, if you covered all the distance, it is the perimeter. That means full boundary. Okay. So, AB distance is 5 by 2 centimeter. B is 3 by 4 centimeter. EA is 3 by 5 centimeter. Now we are going to add all these fractions. So 5 by 2, make it 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4. Plus 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 is 18 by 5. Now we are going to find the LCM for all the denominators. 2, 4, 5. So 2 can divide these two. 1, 2, 5. Now 2 can divide this 2. 1, 1, 5. So 5 can divide this 5. 1, 1, 1. So 2 into 2 into 5 is our LCM. This is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So we are going to make 20 as our denominator in all the fractions. So how to make this as 20? Multiply it with 10 in the numerator and denominator. How to make this as 20? So 4 5s are 20. So here also make 5 now. Multiply it with 4. 4 in the numerator also. Now 50. 5 10s are 50 by 20. Plus 11 into 5 is 55 by 20. Plus 18 into 4 is 72 divided by 20. Denominators are equal. So I am taking common denominator as 20. Now I am going to add all the numerator numbers. So if we add all the numbers, what we will get? 177 divided by 20. This is an improper fraction. We can make it as a mixed fraction. How to do? 177. If you divide this by 20, how many 20s in 177? 8 2s are 16. So 160. So 8 times. If you make 8 times, 160 will come. Remainder is 17, right? If you minus 17. This is our Q or D. So the answer is Q is 8, R is 17 divided by 20. This is our answer. This is the perimeter of triangle ABE. Now we are going to find perimeter of rectangle BCDE. For that we know the formula. See, this is BCDE. See here, this is length now. So here also same number will come, 3 by 4. Length, equal length means opposite sides are equal in rectangle. So length must be equal to this length. Breadth, this breadth is equal to this breadth. So 7 by 6 centimeter. This is our length and this is our breadth. B equal to breadth. So using this we can easily find the perimeter of a rectangle BCDE. Let's find it. See here, 2 into L is given only 2 3 by 4. B is 7 by 6. So same thing, 2 3 by 4, 7 by 6. First make it as an improper. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Make this as a, first find the LCM to make same denominator. 2. 3 times, 2 times. 3. 1 comma 2. 2. 1 comma 1. Now LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 is our LCM. Now make this as 12 into 3. 4 3s are 12. So here also into 3. 6 2s are 12. So here also into 2. This is equal to 2 into 11 is 11 into 3 is 33 by 12 plus 7 2s are 14 divided by 12. This is equal to 2 into common denominator. So I am going to take 1 12 here. 33 plus 14. This is equal to 2 into 33 plus 14 is 43, 47, right? 47 divided by 12. See, we can cancel this 2 and 12. Common factor is 2, right? So 2 can divide both. 2, 1 time 2 is 2. 6 time 2 is 12. So this is equal to 47 divided by 6. So how to do this 47 by 6 as a improper fraction? We can mixed fraction. So 47, if you divide it with 6, what we will get? How many times 6 in this? 47. 7 times, right? 42. So if we minus, we will get 5 as the remainder. Now this is equal to QRD. 7 5 by 6. This is our answer. So now we are going, this is the perimeter of the rectangle BCDE. Now we are going to compare both the things. So from that we are going to find which is greater. For comparison, always take the fractions, improper fraction or proper fraction, whatever it is. Just take the fraction, no need of take this mixed thing. So I am going to take these two things. See, 177 by 20 compared with 47 by 6. We are going to compare. See, 20 and 6 is there, right? What is the LCM for 20 and 6? 20 comma 6. So 2 can divide, no? 10 comma 3. See, the LCM is 2 into 10 into 3. 20 into 3 is 60. 60 is the LCM. Now our aim is make the denominators as 60. How to make this as 60? We need to multiply this with the 3. Here also 3. Here, how to make this 6 as 60? Multiplying it with 10. Now, this gives us 177 into 3 is 531 by 60. 47 means 470. 47 into 10 gives us 470 divided by 60. Now it becomes the like fraction. Denominators are equal. See, in the like fraction, the numerator with the bigger number is always bigger. So, here the bigger numerator is 531. So, obviously this 531 is greater than 470 divided by 60. So, original fraction belongs to 177. Where 177 by 20 comes from? It comes from here. That means perimeter of triangle is 177 divided by 20. So, this is bigger. Okay, 177. This is the bigger one. So, perimeter of triangle ABE is the greater perimeter. See, Salil, sixth question. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? The sixth question. The picture is equal to 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit the picture in the frame, it should be 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. They are given a picture to be trimmed. So the question is to be trimmed. So it must be the bigger picture than the frame, right? If you have a picture of 7 3 by centimeter wide, but if you have a photo frame for 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide, you need to trim it. That means you need to cut off some wide. Then only it can get fixed into the frame, right? So, if you are trimming means what we need to do? We need to minus. So, picture is the biggest wide here. So, 7 3 by 5 centimeter minus 7 3 by 10 centimeter. Now, this is equal to 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3 is 38 by 5 centimeter. Minus 7 10s are 70. 70 plus 3 is 73 divided by 10. Now we are going to make equal denominator. For 5 comma 10, what is the LCM? 5 can divide both. So 5 into 2 is the LCM, right? 5 into 2 is equal to 10 is the LCM. So make this as 10. How to make this as 10? 5 into 2. So here 38 into 2. Here already we have 10 as the denominator, so no need to worry. 38 into 2 gives us 76 divided by 10 minus 73 divided by 10. We have common denominator 10. 76 minus 73. This is equal to 3 by 10 centimeter. So 3 by 10 centimeter we need to trim from the picture to fit the picture in the frame. Seventh question. Read to 8 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? Read to 8 3 by 5 part of an apple. Somu ate remaining apple. So what is the remaining? So if 1 is the full thing, he ate 3 by 5, right? So how to do this? 1 means LCM. Here we need to think, here in the denominator also 1. So 5 is the LCM. So 5 minus 3 divided by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. Somu ate remaining apple. Portion is 2 by 5. Otherwise you have it in mind like that. From the whole, so from 1 is the whole, 3 by 5 she ate. Remaining is 2 by 5. Otherwise, if you still have confusion, think total part in an apple. If you make 5 equal parts, so total is 5 part. Okay, so 5 by 5 gives you 1. That means this is full apple. If you have 5 parts of apple and consume 5 parts, that means 1 full apple, right? So from 1 full apple, this one is coming here. Otherwise you can do like that, 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5. It is still 1 only. 5 by 5 is 1 only. This is equal to common denominator 5 we can have. So this numerator 5 minus 3 is 2 by 5. You can do like this also. So if same thing, we are considering it as one whole, one full thing. So 1. Here also we need to think in the denominator 1 is there. So between these two we are going to find LCM. 1 into 5 is 5. So how to make this as 5? Into 5 into 5. So 5 by 5. Again we are going to make this as this fraction only. So 5 minus 3 divided by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. That's all. Always if they are asking you about remaining things, 1 minus fraction gives you the remaining thing. Who had the larger share? Ritu or Somu? We need to see here. Ritu ate 3 by 5 portion. Somu ate 2 by 5. Like fractions only, right? So in the like fraction, if the numerator is bigger, the fraction is also bigger. Which numerator is bigger? Here. This is bigger, right? So 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. So Ritu ate bigger portion. How much more share Ritu got? 3 by 5 Ritu ate minus 2 by 5. Denominator is equal. So 3 minus 2, this is equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5 portion of the more share Ritu got. That's all. Thank you.